Viewers, it would be a matter of pleasure for you. Today I'm going to uh, introduce you people with some plants which can be grown at the courtyard. For example, this is uh, this is our date plant. The date plant. It gives a fruit, date plant, and this is yucca. This is yucca. Okay, and here is what Sinjoni. It can grow in the winter and summer season. And here is olive plant. It actually grows well in the Potwa region, but we have grown here in the courtyard. And now uh, this is known as what money plant. Money plants, you can see money plant. It can be grown in the bottles as well, in the bottles also. And this is aloe vera. It is actually the medicinal plant. The girls and the women, they can use this plant for the beauty of skin. This is aloe vera. It's a jelly is used for many medicines, for professional many medicines. For example, the skin diseases, particularly the acnes, are cured by the jelly of this plant. This is the mango plant, Mangifera indica. Mangifera indica. It's it is known as what black black chonsa. It's known as black chonsa. My kids, particularly my daughter, likes it very much, and you can grow it at your courtyard. Usually, it is said that these plants, they don't give you people the food at the courtyard, but it is generous enough to give us the fruit. In this summer season, we used the fruit of this plant, this Mangifera indica, or the mango. This is you can see here. This is wine, grape wine, vineiferous. Uh, it has made the friendship with this mango plant, and this is